Our major innovation is all centered around the idea of training people faster for less money and reduce the frequency of refresher training. So in the end, it is novel technologies, novel product strategies, novel business models that really allow us to do that better than anybody else in the space. Virtual training is a solution hunting for a problem, but only as the cost of the technology shrinks can it address mass problems of everyday life. But what we believe is one day you are going to see a virtual trainer in every school, in every business, and in fact they are going to be the equivalent of cognitive gymnasiums that are going to be right down the street. And Central Florida is the rock, the Silicon Valley of that technology base. What is really hot of late is a new kind of technology and a new kind of product, and it is where we are moving away from training people in groups to focused, individualized training. It's sort of the equivalent of a batting cage in baseball, and we have developed these technologies, partnered with universities to test it on military students, and have gotten amazing results, and that equipment is just flying off the shelf right now. We're always having to cope with change. That's the very difficult thing to do. Technologies, underlying technologies are altering all the time. How you would train human beings are changing all the time. What we're asking them to do in combat is changing all the time. The physical locations and how the force is structured. So it's really developing a technological strategy and an operational strategy that will allow you to constantly adapt to that change in the market. I tell people that engineers are not made, they're born. I was born as a young engineer and really had a passion to the field. Through a variety of circumstances, I ended up going to DeVry University in Atlanta, which was a tech-heavy school. And in the mid-1980s, we had a large defense buildup where there was huge amounts of money going into technology, and we were hired by General Electric Simulation and Control Systems Department straight out of school. What brings me back to work day after day is the opportunity to work with the great people that we work with. Entrepreneurs have a vision, and one of the beauties of that is you get to see that evolve and see how other people interpret those ideas and improve those ideas. So it's really collaborating with great minds and passionate people on a daily basis to do great things for our customers.